I'm gonna teach you how to make these beautiful curls, coils on the mini loom. So to begin, you're gonna need to make a slip knot. And put it in the first peg. Wrap the second peg twice. And flip the bottom stitch over the top. Wrap the last peg twice. And flip it over. So for the last peg, we are going to wrap 2 times. And for the rest of the pegs, we are going to wrap them only 1 time on the way back. Like this. And we're gonna flip the bottom stitch over both of the top stitches. Like this. And then flip the next 2 stitches. From here, I'll continue to do exactly the same thing, wrapping each of the pegs once, but flipping the bottom stitch over 2 stitches for the last peg. So each time you're gonna flip a stitch, you're gonna have single stitches on the first and second peg and double stitch on the last peg. Continue doing this until you get 5, 6, or maybe 7 curls or coils. I'll let you know how long that's gonna be. I'll measure it. So when you're knitting, it's gonna look like you're gonna have just a straight line, but when you wrap it around your finger, you're gonna get the coils properly shaped, and I'll show you that at the end. So don't worry when you knit if it looks like it's completely straight. You just have to shape it a little bit with your hand at the end. I'll continue and show you the progress in a little bit. So here is how about half of the project looks like right now. This would be 18 inches. If you want this to turn again into curls, you have to wrap it around your finger or a marker or something and tie it a little bit. And when you let go, they're gonna look like curls again. You just need something longer because my fingers are not enough for this many coils that I would like to make. When you tie it a little bit towards the marker, it's gonna look like this. So I got about 8 coils if you use the marker. And when you let go, they're gonna stay the same. just like that. So I'll continue until I reach the 18 inch. So here's the first 18 inches. Here's how they look. And these are 90 rows of knitting. From here I'm going to switch to a different stitch. For this I'm going to knit the double stitches by flipping the bottom one over the top, and we'll just continue like this. So here is how you can finish the last row.